Jai Gurudev. Life of man is a mere concept. I amness is a notional concept. In space time, mere appearance, apperceive everything in consciousness itself. All around us is consciousness. Whatever perceived is consciousness. Accept life as it comes to you. Accept events as they come to you. Life is spontaneous functioning. We are not doing, all is happening. Cause of your action is your need. Your every action is spontaneous. Know who suffers and what is the cause. Identification with body is the cause. This is my body. I am body is cause. Awareness does not suffer at all. Chetana awareness alone you are. Apperceive your awareness in all. Apperceive you are. Apperceiver you are. Apperceived you are. Apparent universe is consciousness. You are that Chetana, consciousness. All objects are dreamed objects, dreamed in the consciousness, apperceived in consciousness, mere concepts in the consciousness. Mind is a movement in consciousness, a notional movement, a mere concept. I amness is notional concept. In space time, mere appearance. Apperceive everything is consciousness itself. All around us is consciousness. Whatever perceived is consciousness. Consciousness is living through us. Let consciousness function through us. Manifestation is consciousness itself. Calmly accept what life gives us. All visible objects are consciousness in fact. What appears to be objective is subjective in fact. Body is merely an appearance, a concept in consciousness. Mere appearance cannot have any volition of itself at all. We cannot prevent what is happening. We cannot cause what is not happening. All is happening by itself. If it has to happen, it is going to happen. You cannot do anything about it. Because there is nothing at all in your hands, you will be able to do only what you are programmed to do, pre-programmed by will of God. We are all being lived by consciousness itself. Like wave is being lived by the ocean itself. It is consciousness breathing in us. It is consciousness seeing through us. It is consciousness smelling through us. It is consciousness testing through us. It is consciousness, the energy in us, manifesting and moving as things all around us. Drama of life is in consciousness itself. Manifestation is appearance in consciousness itself. What we see all around us is consciousness itself. Dreaming is function of consciousness itself. Entire manifestation is consciousness itself. We are being lived by consciousness itself. We are merely consciousness, spread out, stirred up consciousness. Events are movements in consciousness. Happening are movements of consciousness itself. Consciousness means Chetana. Chetana in us is cosmic consciousness. Apperceive your growth from womb to tomb. Things have been happening without your effort. All is happening, going on happening. You are not doing anything at all. Clouds are floating, winds are blowing, grass is growing, rivers are flowing, body is breathing. Whatever is to happen will surely happen. Why not calmly accept life? Accept every situation in life, since we have no choice at all and have no volition at all. Without our effort, things are happening. Witness all happenings as consciousness functioning. Thoughts come to the brain from outside only. These then become basis of our action. Body-mind reacts to these outside thoughts. We wrongly feel we are thinking or acting. In fact, we are always reacting to outside stimuli and thoughts, to outside situations around us. We are wrongly feeling we are making decisions. Decisions are results of these outside thoughts. We have no control over any thoughts, neither the arising of thoughts nor the outcome of thought. Can we stop any thought? No, not at all, not at all. We are like a water drop in this flowing river of life. We are like a small insect on the tidal wave of time. We suffer by wrongly thinking we are pushing the river of life. A drop can only flow a part of flowing river of life. A tiny speck cannot control the moving tidal wave of time. Our body mind organism is fully pre programmed, that is, body mind's prarabdha. Our parents, our nature, nurture, environment, our birth, life, death, events, and happenings were all programmed before our conception itself of body mind instrument, that is our prarabdha. Our programmed body mind organism is doing what it is supposed to do, is doing what it is programmed to do, can only do what it is programmed to do. Therefore, my dear, continue what you are doing. There is nothing you can do, and it does not matter at all. And to whom can it matter? All is happening on its own. Nothing you can do on your own. Let me repeat this. Therefore, my dear, continue what you are doing. There is nothing you can do, and it does not matter at all. And to whom can it matter? All is happening on its own, nothing you can do on your own. All actions that we think we do are mere happenings and mere events. Our movements in consciousness are mere appearances in Chetana. What is happening is, in fact, totality is functioning through us as tiny part of cosmic happening as per will of God Himself. We cannot change any event, then why not let all things happen and enjoy its perfect functioning? Life can be very, very beautiful by gracefully accepting every moment. Let me repeat, life can be very, very beautiful by gracefully accepting every event, every happening, and every situation as part of totality's functioning. Whatever is happening, you cannot stop. Let it happen. It is going to happen anyway. You must act in life as if you are doing all, but understanding very clearly that you are doing nothing at all. Let me repeat. You must act in life as if you are doing all, but understanding very clearly that you are doing nothing at all. We must function as the doer, knowing we are not the doer. We must act as if we are acting, knowing that totality is acting. Programmed body mind can only react to events according to our nature. All our actions are spontaneous. They are movements in consciousness. Could you have avoided doing any action at all, like a mere robot you have been doing? Your body mind organism is fully pre programmed to do whatever it is doing. Life is, in fact, impersonal functioning. Individualized consciousness is functioning. You cannot change even a bit of it. You are merely a pattern of cosmic energy's movement, energy vibrating as fixed pattern. Energy means cosmic life in us. You are not solid body mind. You are not even an individual. You are part of total happening. Because of lack of understanding that we have no choice of action, we think we can change life's events. Let me repeat. Because of lack of understanding that we have no choice of action, we think we can change life's events. Gracefully accept that this is whatever it is, that everything is in that state in which it is supposed to be. Through us, existence is functioning. Through us, existence is breathing. Anger, love, fear, and passion, whatever anyone is doing, whatsoever anyone is doing, through us, existence is functioning. Through us, consciousness is going on, happening, functioning. In fact, it is existence doing what any being is doing. Man can neither do anything right, nor can do anything wrong. Forgive them all who have done wrong to you, for they have not done anything of their own accord. They cannot do of their own accord. Existence is doing. What is their fault? Existence is getting it done. Though our body mind, through us all, through our body mind and through us all. We have no control over what is happening. None of us has any control over any of the events. Through us, all beings' totality is functioning. Actions of other beings too are not their actions at all. Then why not forgive them? For it is not their doing at all. Through all of us, nature is functioning. Jai Gurudev.